Pasta night, baby. We're gonna start by making the meatballs. So season up your meat, and then you're gonna mix it up and make it into nice sized balls. Then you're gonna make the sauce. You can use canned sauce, but I don't want to. So I just got straight tomatoes. I season it up with my own little concoction. Shit, know what I mean? Olive oil, a little tomato paste. Now it's time to make the meatballs. So we're gonna put a little olive oil and cook them like 75%, and then put them in the sauce to finish. Simmer in the back. Number 26, can't do the 27, you know what I mean? 11 minutes till al dente, and then finish them in the sauce. Italiano, Parmigiano, Reggiano, you know what I mean, man? I'm Italian for the night, baby. Pasta night.